Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers cheap, Kerman, local and long distance movers near me. Our staff of skilled movers can ensure your long distance move goes easily. We assist you with your move no matter how far you need to go, from 100 miles to beyond 2,000 miles. Our moving services provide you all the right choices to personalize your move for your particular requirements. In addition to loading, transportation, and unloading, our experts also offer a lot of other moving services, including packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. It may not be simple to reconcile the price of working with a California moving company. However, if you start to notice the conveniences, the price seems to be well worth it. You gain the advantage of conserving time on your local move, which may be well worth it. You will also get to minimize the heavy lifting, which means no risk of injury. When you choose our movers, you get pros ready to make your local move super easy. Moving day becomes simpler with 3 movers simply because we streamline your whole entire move. A move that might take you all weekend to execute, we can manage in just one afternoon. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Kerman Moving Business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.